All right, here we go with our premium hobby of totally certified basketball. Good luck to everybody. Get those guesses in for the player on the last auto. You do not have to be in the break to guess. 10 packs, 6 cards per pack, 1 auto, 2 mems per box. Let's see if we can hit a big one in here. This is our first time opening the totally certified boxes. They're really popular here. Yeah, pack. A lot of room in the There we go. Here's our empty box. Getting 10 packs, 6 cards per pack. Here we go. Good luck. Anthony Simons, Keontae George, Jared McCain on the gold team rookie, Michael Porter Jr., Bronny James, and Julius Erving. Franz Wagner, Emmanuel Quickly. There's our first mem that is certified baller, Cade Cunningham. That is out of 99, 63 out of 99. Russell Wilson, Russell Westbrook on the red out of 149. Cam Christie, Bilal Coulibaly, G.G. Jackson, Giannis, and Tyrese Maxey on the gold team auto. This should be the only auto of the break. That's out of 49. 3 out of 49. We'll see. Sometimes they'll sneak an extra auto in there, so keep guessing if you haven't already. David Robinson on the die cut out of 49. 2 out of 49. Carmelo Anthony. Stephen Castle. Jordan Poole. Josh Giddey. 3-color patch right there. Tristan Da Silva, fabric of the game. That is out of 125. Anthony Davis, Bojan Bogdanovic, and Salanu on the rookie there. Let's top load what we have, and then we'll get through the rest of the packs. Six packs left. Good luck to everybody in the break. Miles Bridges, Kawhi Leonard, Dalton Connect out of 99. Kristaps Porzingis, Anthony Edwards, Shaquille O'Neal, Naz Reid, Jalen Brunson. Certified bucket Kevin Durant. Nikola Topic. Devin Carter. Paolo Banchero. Up next after this one is our Donruss Elite 2 International Hobby Box Break. Dante DiVincenzo. The Mighty Khalil Ware rookie. Insert right there. Devin Booker on the Z team. Blue Tyler Kolek out of 99. 36 out of 99. Isaiah Thomas. And Kyle Filipowski. Malik Monk. Ja Morant. And we got the Reed Shepard rookie. Totally certified rookie there. Josh Giddey out of 75. 50 out of 75. Kobe White. Charles Barkley. Benedict Mather. Bam Adebayo. Gold team, Nikola Jokic. Miles Turner red out of 149. Baylor Shireman. Jaden McDaniels. We got one pack left. All right, here's our last pack. Shaden Sharp. Malcolm Brogdon. Tyrese Maxey, certified bucket. Hakeem Olajuwon. AJ Johnson rookie. And our final card is Colin Sexton. Let's do our recap here. We have more of these totally certified breaks in the shop. You can find them on the future break schedule link. Out of 99, Dalton Connect. Tyler Kolek out of 99. Josh Giddey out of 75. Miles Turner out of 149. Russell Westbrook out of 149. David Robinson, the die cut out of 49. The fabric of the game, Tristan Da Silva, 3-color patch right there, out of 125. Cade Cunningham on the baller, out of 99 mem. And our auto was Tyrese Maxey out of 49. That does it for that box. Up next is our Donruss Elite International 2 hobby box break. This is our second to last break. Again, we will be back again